Hey Girl Scouts, and welcome to my crib.
Okay guys, so today we're doing my room tour. Yes, it's finally here. I finally have my own room and I decorated it somewhat how I wanted it to be. So I was like, let me do a room tour. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Okay, I'm filming it by myself, so you guys have to bear with me. All right, so the first thing we got here, as soon as you walk in, we got this picture. It's England, right? Yes, England. And I just like it because my theme in my room is like black, white, and red. And yeah, so this is from Marshall's and it was like 10 bucks. So now I'm gonna bring you guys into the room. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do like a vlog style type room tour thing. So as soon as you walk in, here's the door. So next to the picture that I just showed you guys, we have my Polaroids, and this is just it. I don't have a lot right now, just a few. So yeah, these are my Polaroids, and I want to fill up this entire wall basically, but I don't have enough pictures for that yet, so this is all we have for now. Okay, so turning here, you guys can see me, but this is basically what you see as soon as you like walk in. So it's my bed, and I have a queen size frame, but my mattress is a double, so it doesn't really fit properly, so that's why you see like it's kind of stuck in here. But yeah, this is my bed. I'm in love with it. It's my favorite thing. But this is just a bed from IKEA. I got it off of Facebook or Kijiji, I don't know. My parents found it for me and they paid 40 bucks for it. So guys, my whole family are just bargaining.
We're all bargaining bitches. Like, that's just the way it is.
But yeah, this retails for like 100 and something and we got it for 40 bucks, so really good deal. And then we got my bedspread, my comforter. It's a marble pattern. I got it from this local store in Canada. It's called Superstore. Basically it's like a Target but a Canadian, and I got this here, and then I got the two pillows, I think from Walmart, I think, and then the two throw blankets. One of them is from Superstore again, and then the white one is from Marshall's. So yeah, this is what my bed looks like. She's cute or whatever. She's my favorite thing. I just I sleep on it. And okay, so I just showed you guys my bed right here. So next to my bed I have my closet, and I just have my backpack purse that I keep there, and then my love sign. That love sign is from Marshall's as well. And then my keys are just on my door. So when you open my closet, I have my clothes, obviously. Yeah, I just have my clothes, and then I have this bookshelf drawer thing. This is from Walmart. And then I just have like my clothes in here like that I don't hang up, like my pajamas, underwear, jeans, all that. And then over here, you guys can't really see it, I'm sorry, I'm gonna put my flash on. Over there I just have my extra camera stuff, video games, movies, and stuff for YouTube in that corner. So like clothes I get sent to me and all that. On my bookshelf, this is where I keep my hidden stuff. So I have a picture frames up there, hats, and extra makeup that I don't want on my desk. And then over here in this corner, I'm sorry, this is really hard to film, but in this corner I just have my blanket that I used to sleep with, and hangers, and then shoes I got, and then an extra table for filming. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's what I have on the bottom of my closet. So when you move to the top, I have these 4 boxes, and they each carry like different things in them. So like one of them carries like souvenir stuff I got, one of them carries like my purses. You can hear my dog's collar, that's great. And then I have other stuff in there like YouTube stuff and just extra stuff. So yeah, and those boxes I got from this liquidation store in Calgary. It's called Bianca Supermarket, I think. I don't know, it's like a liquidation store that for like super cheap stuff. So yeah, that is what my closet looks like. Hey Harley, I don't want to play with you right now. I'm kind of filming, bro. I will play with you in like 5-10 minutes, give or take. All right, so that's my bed again. So across my bed Oh my gosh, yeah. So across my bed here, I have this bookshelf. This is from IKEA. I don't know what it's called. Everything that I can find online, I will have it in the down bar below. But yeah, this is just where I basically put my stuff on display. So I have my books that I have here. This is like my jewelry holder, money stuff. I just emptied it, so I have no money in there. I have pictures. This is pictures of me and my sister and me and my best friend in the back. And then I have my Xbox and my Apple TV that I have. On this side, you can see I have my perfume and my Xbox again. And then you can see I have my jewelry in the bottom corner there with a book because I ran out of space on that other section. And then here I have my Polaroid camera and a photo album. And then over here, I just have a jewelry box that I have full with my pens and stuff in there, and my letter B because my name's Brooke, if you didn't know. But yeah, and then on top of my shelf, I have my Crosley record player over here, and then just my TV, and then on that far end over there, I just have my jewelry holder that I keep my necklaces on. So yeah, this is what this shelf looks like, and yeah. So moving on over here, when you walk in between there, I have my mirror. Hi, what's up guys? Yeah, hi. So I just have this full-size mirror. Oh, I just fell into the table, that's not okay. I have my full-size mirror. This is from Jisk. It's like an antique mirror. It's like white and like gold and antique, and I really like it. I think I paid like 60 bucks, 40 bucks for it, I think, yeah. And then just next to it there, right there, I have my records that I have because I have nowhere to store it right now, so that's where I keep it. So moving on here, I have my window. Yes, you can't even see, don't even try stalking me. I'm not even that important to stalk, but you can't see where I live. But yeah, this is my window. I just got these lights from Walmart during Christmas time. It was like $1.50 I paid for it, and it's just two separate ones with battery packs that I connected over there. So moving on to the last part of my room is my makeup vanity section. So I used to have a different one that was from Wayfair, but I ran out of space, so I became the basic bitch, guys. And I got the IKEA Alex drawers with the Linman, I think that's what it's called, desktop. So yeah, I haven't gotten the other side because that's $100 and that's freaking expensive, yo. So yeah, the other drawer, I just have one for now. It's getting full, but I'm not gonna go into detail with it because I'm gonna do my like vanity tour, I don't know, collection when I do it. And then underneath there, I just have my chairs from IKEA, and then I have a marble garbage can from the dollar store. So on my actual desk, we have another mirror. Hi, so I can stare at myself some more. This one is the same mirror as that one that I have over there, just a smaller version. Again, it's the antique white from Jisk. This one was like 20 bucks, I think. So yeah, same lights from Walmart. And then on my desktop, I just have my makeup brushes and my other mirror, my water bottle, candle, laptop, and the book that I'm reading currently, which is Wait For You. Really good, guys. You should read it. But yeah, guys, this is my room tour. I really like it. And yeah, this video was not a video to brag at all, guys. So don't take it in that way. Okay, but yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I love you guys. Don't forget to love yourself. And until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace out, Girl Scouts.